The Pakistan Stock Exchange (PSX) witnessed a significant decline on Thursday, January 9, 2025, as the benchmark KSE 100 index shed 1,510.19 points, closing at 112,638.26, marking a 1.32% decrease from the previous session's close of 114,148.45. The index traded between a high of 114,329.95 and a low of 112,594.66, reflecting heightened volatility in the market. The substantial decline came amid concerns over macroeconomic stability and a lack of fresh triggers to boost investor confidence. The total trading volume for the session stood at 268.88 million shares, with a cumulative market value of 17.08 billion Pakistani rupees. The 14-day Relative Strength Index (RSI) of 53.9 indicates the market remains in a neutral zone but trending downward. Meanwhile, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence mixed histogram at -671 suggests bearish momentum is gaining strength. Investor sentiment was predominantly negative, with 320 stocks declining, 89 advancing, and 44 remaining unchanged out of 453 traded companies. Most major sectors, including banking, energy, and cement, bore the brunt of the selling pressure as investors opted to stay on the sidelines amid uncertainty. Blue-chip stocks were among the biggest losers, further weighing down the index. Analysts cited weak macroeconomic indicators, including concerns over inflation and currency depreciation, as key reasons for the cautious investor behavior. The lack of positive catalysts and ongoing external pressures continue to undermine market confidence.
The top 7 volume leaders on the PSX were led by WorldCall Telecom WTL with 195 million shares traded at a stable price of PKR 1.79, K Electric Limited. KEL followed with 49 million shares, declining by 2.1% to PKR 4.76. Synergico PKC and ERGY saw a 4.4% drop to PKR 6.69 with 35 million shares traded. Fauji Foods Ltd FFL experienced the largest percentage decline of 5.6%, closing at PKR 16.65 on 26 million shares.
Pak Electron Pile traded 23 million shares, slightly decreasing by 0.7% to PKR 40.87. Lot Chemical Lachum rose to 0.9% to PKR 21.67 with 20 million shares, while Bank of Punjab BOP dropped 1.1% to PKR 10.14 on a volume of 16 million shares. The top 7 gainers on the PSX were led by Next Capital Next, which rose 10.5% to PKR 10.49 with 160,148 shares traded. Dadex Ethernet DADX and JDW Sugar JDWS each gained 10%, closing at PKR 64.00 and PKR 995.45, respectively, with lower trading volumes. Dawood Law DLL also saw a 10% increase, reaching PKR 325.73 on 43,100 shares. Matco Foods Ltd. MFL rose by 9.7% to PKR 48.48 with 239,987 shares traded. Asim Textile ASTM gained 8.1%, closing at PKR 16.33 on 53,972 shares, while TPL REIT Fund ITPL or F1 increased by 7.9% to PKR 15.48 with a volume of 153,105 shares. The top 7 losers on the PSX included Elite Capital Motoraba FICM, which dropped 10.7% to PKR 5.36 on a low volume of 1,012 shares. Power Cement Preferred Power Peas, Liven Pharma Liven, Ali Asgar Textile AATM, and Shadman Cotton SHCM all saw declines of 10%, closing at PKR 11.25. PKR 160.68, PKR 70.94, and PKR 32.11, respectively, with modest trading volumes. Frontier Ceramics FRCL fell 9.9% to PKR 21.82 with 54,811 shares traded. While Alkergadune AKGL declined by 9.8% to PKR 37.39 on a volume of 567 shares, market experts suggest a cautious approach, advising investors to focus on defensive stocks and sectors demonstrating resilience in challenging times. Given the prevailing macroeconomic challenges and global market trends, short-term fluctuations are expected to persist. However, with the index approaching key support levels, some analysts see potential buying opportunities for long-term investors, particularly in undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. It remains crucial for policymakers to address economic concerns to restore market stability and investor confidence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.